students, we continue with our 2024 paper 1, November. So we have here a graph, a hyperbola, two asymptotes. We are given the equation of the hyperbola. We are given the asymptote -1, our horizontal asymptote. We know that is our Q, so this is our Q. We know the vertical one is our P. Alright, but okay, let's go straight into the questions. It's fine. 3.1.1. So we are asked to complete and P equals to and Q equals to. Alright, so what's P equals to? If you look at P, it's not an obvious asymptote. Remember, diagrams are not drawn to scale, so we can't assume a value here. But we are told that for the graph, x is less than 2, meaning all our x values are less than and not equals to 2. Meaning, this asymptote that our graph cannot go over must be the 2. So our P is 2. Our Q, as you've seen, is -1. Alright, then we are done with that one. 3.1.2, the value of A. Let's first substitute our P and our Q into our equation. We have y or g of x equals to A over x minus 2 minus 1. Then, how do you find the value of A? We look at any other point we are given that can fill our x and our y. And then we look at it, we are given this point. This is our x-intercept. It's a half and 0. So we are given a half and 0 that we are going to substitute into our equation. Let's do that. Our y is 0 equals to A over a half minus 2 minus 1. 0 equals to A. A half minus 2 is -3 over 2 minus 1. We can make the 1, we can make the 1 jump to the other side or add 1, as we know. So it's 1 equals to A over -3 over 2. We can cross multiply here. So I'm gonna have 1 times -3 over 2 equals to A. So there we have it. Our A is -3 over 2. Alright, the last thing is to find our y-intercept. 3.1.3, calculate the y-intercept of g of x. Where is the y-intercept? Here is the y-intercept where x is 0. So we know the value of x is 0. As we say, for the y-intercept, let x equals to 0. So let's do that. I'm going to have y equals to, we're going to put our A now into the equation. Let's do that first. Let's put our equation and write it all in full. I'm going to have -3 over 2 over x minus 2 minus 1. Where I see x, I put 0. So I'm going to have -3 over 2. So it's y equals to over 0 minus 2 minus 1. So it's -3 over 2 over -2 minus 1. Alright, that will give me, I'm gonna do it fast. I hope you're also following along. It's 3 over 4, positive 3 over 4, because the negatives go. Then minus 1, that will give me -4 minus 3, so it's -1 over 4. So my y-intercept will be 0 and -1/4. That makes perfect sense. If you go and look where the y-intercept is, it's the negative side between 0 and 1, -1. So that gives you a bit of confidence that you are actually right. So yeah, thank you for your time. Practice, please. And then next video we'll do 3.2.